Hey everyone, this is John Wright, and I'm back here with my GX460, and today's project is to install some KSP Performance wheel spacers. They're 1 inch. Just want to let everyone know up front that I'm receiving these KSP wheel spacers as a gift from KSP in exchange for the installation video. Okay, so when you receive your KSPs, they're going to be packaged rather nice. There's 2 boxes that come together because you order them in a set of 4. Open them up. Inside, you're going to get 2 spacers per box. Come in a nice package. They present very well. See, here to be high quality aluminum, forged aluminum. These nuts that come off, these are actually going to go on your existing studs, and we're going to place this straight on. So I'm going to show you how that fits and walk you through the process. You realize that when you buy spacers, having Hub-Centric ones are key. They're preferred over just Lug-Centric. So you want a Hub-Centric spacer, and then your wheels will be actually Lug-Centric on the outside, but this part you want to line up and be fit really snug over the center of the wheel hub here. So we put these in, put that on there, you'll see that lines it up perfect. There's no movement, it's on there nice and solid. And again, after we prep the surface here a little bit more, I'm going to do one more step to it. Then I'm going to turn the cone part in, and that's going to self-align that, and we're going to then torque that down to spec. So one of the things that I was curious about with KSP is that I had noticed that the center ring here was a little thinner than what maybe some other competitors might have. So I was curious to ask, I actually emailed KSP and asked them for an engineering explanation. And they said, and it makes very much sense to me, that they said that this is Hub-Centric, so the back of this, okay, is going to fit nice and snug on your hub, and it does. This part, okay, is more of a guide to put the wheel on, but your wheel actually rides over the top of this, and it is actually centered by the lug nuts that are going on here. Okay, so this is not as critical that be the same diameter, outside diameter matches your interior diameter of your wheel. So what we're looking at here is on the GX460, the wheel spacer, okay, I have 1 inch here that you're looking at. Clear's fine in the front, but the studs in the back, even though they're the same length, it's just a different brake housing, I suppose. This sticks out by about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch or so, just a little bit too far. So the solution is either I'm going to have to cut down the studs, or I might just try to exchange or try to get a different spacer that's maybe 1.25 inches. I think that would work just fine. It's really important that you make sure that you use the torque wrench so that you have a consistent amount of foot-pounds on every one of these, on the tire, you know, the wheel tire, as well as to the actual hub itself. If you have too much, especially if you have it heavier on one side and lighter on the other, I mean, you could definitely be prone to cracking. If you over tighten too much, tightening it too much isn't necessarily better. You know, this isn't designed to handle forces above what are recommended. So, you know, follow the guidelines in the directions, okay? It depends on the size of the studs that are going to be recommended, the foot-pounds range, and also look at your vehicle recommendations. What does the vehicle, like my Lexus, recommend? And then that way you're more likely to be successful with the spacer. I just want to thank KSP again for helping out on this project and providing this opportunity to make this install video. I want to make sure that when you're done with the project here. Don't forget, turn your tire back and forth. Make sure, like I did, I had to clear with my 285s, make sure I'm clearing my upper control arm, and I am nicely clearing that. I started to open this up a little bit. I may go a little bit higher here, okay? But trim out this plastic, and you might have to address, I still haven't decided yet whether I need to trim this or just remove that plate. It's just a plastic piece, which I have about 1 inch of clearance even behind that. So that's all I have for the install. Thank you very much for watching, and good luck with your project.